So we shall do now graphs of the basic functions, which is most important for any competitive exam for SAT or ACT or SAT subjects. So graphs of basic functions. We should know the graph of y is equal to mx. It is a line which is passing through the origin. If the slope is positive, the line is inclined in the first and the third quadrant, so the slope is positive. If the slope is negative, that is if m is less than 0, then the line is there in the second and fourth quadrant. So the shape of the graph y is equal to mx. The next thing which we should know is y is equal to x square, which is a quadratic function. The basic graph of the quadratic function is this. Next is y is equal to x cube. So y is equal to x cube is a function similar to this. Next is y is equal to, that is modulus function, that is y is equal to absolute value of x. The shape of the absolute value of the function is this. Next is square root function, y is equal to square root of x. So the graph of the square root of function is this. Next we should know is inverse function, f of x is or y is 1 upon x. So the shape of the 1 upon x function is this plus this. So the next function is f of x is equal to 1 upon x square. So the shape of the 1 upon x square function is this and this. So the next we should know about exponential and logarithmic functions. As I said, these are the basic graphs which definitely each and everyone should know, and they should have this in their mind. So if a is greater than 1, then the shape would be something similar to this, where this point is 0, 1. If a is less than 1, then the shape would be something less than 1. This is 0, 1. So for logarithmic functions, log x base a, if a is greater than 1, then the shape would be something similar to this. If a lies between 0 to 1, then the shape of the graph is something similar to this. So logarithmic, exponential, polynomial functions, modulus function, square root function and inverse function, these are the basic functions which we should know.